There are new twists in the murder trial of a former police officer in Dallas. Amber Guyger was off duty when she shot Botham Jean last September. She claims she thought the apartment was hers. Yesterday, a judge blocked jurors from hearing a portion of the testimony supporting her claim. Omar Villafranca is at the Frank Crowley Courthouse in Dallas. Omar, what can we expect today?
Well, the jury's going to hear from more experts, including a lighting expert who's expected to talk about what it looked like when Guyger went into Jean's apartment. That blocked testimony came from the lead prosecutor. The jury was not present when he told the judge he thought Guyger's actions were reasonable.
Is that correct?
That's correct.
A parade of witnesses, including experts and residents, testified on the third day of Amber Guyger's murder trial. But it was the lead investigator, Texas Ranger David Armstrong, who said the layout of Guyger's apartment complex could be confusing.
There were no clear, obvious visual signs showing what level you were on.
The former Dallas police officer is accused of shooting Botham Jean last September when she allegedly mistook his apartment for her own. Armstrong testified Guyger lived directly below Jean, and going to the wrong apartment was not uncommon, according to other residents.
How many on all floors had walked to the wrong apartment on the wrong floor and put their key in the door?
That would be 15%.
The jury also heard from the medical examiner, who testified that because of the way the bullet entered his body, Jean would have to have been leaning forward when he was shot. The prosecutors suggested Jean might have been getting off the couch. The defense says he could have been coming towards Guyger.
You have no idea about where Mr. Jean was or what he was doing, correct?
That's correct.
The jury also saw more of the graphic body cam footage from the night of the shooting.
Come on, Chief. Come on, Chief.
Jean's parents were so disturbed by the video, they walked out of the courtroom.
I'm so sorry I didn't even give any thought to the victim's family, the alleged victim's family being here.
The only part of the lead investigator's testimony that was blocked by the judge was his view that Guyger did not commit a crime and that her actions were reasonable. And the reasoning behind that was that that was his opinion. Trial is expected to continue for another week. Tony?
So hard to watch that video. Omar, thank you very much.